Act 1. The choice that changes everything. Imagine someone offers you $1 million. Oh, 1 penny. That doubles every day for just 30 days. Which one would you choose? Be honest. Most people instantly grab the million. And that's exactly why most people never build real wealth. Because our brains are terrible at understanding one invisible force. Compounding. Here's the twist. That tiny penny doesn't become $1 or even 1,000. By day 30, it's worth over $5 million. Yes, the penny beats a million. Crazy, right? And if that surprised you, stay with me, because this same principle could quietly determine whether you're wealthy or forever wondering where your money went. Act 2. The invisible force that builds wealth. Compounding is simple. It's when your money owns money. Then that new money starts owning money too. Think of it like planting a tree. The first year, it barely grows. The second year, it's bigger. Years later, it starts producing hundreds of seeds, creating an entire forest. Money works the same way. But here's where most people fail. They wait. I'll start investing after I get a better job. I'll save when I earn more. I'll begin next year. Sound familiar? Meanwhile, time, the most powerful ingredient of compounding, keeps slipping away. Here's a funny thought. We binge watch an entire season in one weekend, but somehow waiting 10 years for our investments feels too long. Ironically, the people who become wealthy aren't usually the ones making the most money. They are the ones who simply started earlier. And the longer you wait, the harder compounding has to work to catch up. Act 3. The decision your future self depends on. Imagine 2 friends. One starts investing at 20. The other waits until 30. The second friend may invest far more each month. Yet the first often ends up with significantly more wealth. Not because they are smarter. Not because they are luckier. Because time multiplied every dollar they invested. That's the real secret. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, one smart decision at a time. Your future isn't determined by one massive investment. It's shaped by the small actions you repeat consistently. So ask yourself, will your future self thank you, or wish you had started today? And if you now understand the true power of compounding, subscribe to Decoding Growth. Because every week, we break down the timeless principles behind wealth, productivity, success, psychology, and personal growth, so you can make smarter decisions today that transform your future. We'll see you in the next one.